evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a good day for us and for our student, Mr. Sheeraz, who just recently appeared in a PTE test and scored high, by the way. Mr. Sheeraz, tell us about how the experience was and everything that went on,
Actually, that was really fantastic. I was so afraid. And when I came here, first I came here and just met some Mubarak and Ma'am Sadia. And they recommended me to go to Southern branch. Actually, they have just opened the branch in March.
Yeah, I believe so.
And I think that is a fantastic scene for me to go there.
Lovely, lovely. So how was the experience? Who was your instructor, and how did you do it?
Actually, I have two instructors. So Ali was in early days, then he left for some of his work.
Right.
And then Sir Mohsin came for, I think, 2 weeks.
Right.
And I think these 2 weeks were a defining moment for me.
Excellent, excellent.
Sir Mohsin, main credit goes to Sir Mohsin, who has, for the person, I have these high marks.
Excellent, excellent. So, as you can tell, our student is very satisfied. Tell us about your score. Tell us about, what motivated you to do all this, and how did you achieve it yourself? I mean, what went into it, the whole process?
Actually, GSL, very honest, they give you the very guideline. Your success is based on your guidelines and on the person who gives you the guidelines. What type of guidelines they are giving you and what clue and what things are they are teaching you.
The tricks and tips
Tricks and tips,
basically.
Very simple.
Fair enough.
Simply you can say that tricks and tips. And I think, but they are not 100%. You have to be something in you.
So what was your score, by the way, at the end of the
84.
Day? 84. Yeah. Excellent.
I'm 19 speaking.
Excellent, excellent. That is great news.
Yeah.
So congratulations,
first
of all, and thank you for allowing us to actually help you out. But at the end of the day, of course, it was your hard work that came into play, and we are more than glad.
Thank you so much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you feel inspired by our success stories, and if you feel confident, or if you have any plans to move abroad, pay us a visit. See how things work out here, and I'm 100% sure that the kind of people that we have here, the experts, the language experts, they will bamboozle you, perhaps, and you would be more than happy to join us because the results speak for themselves. So yeah, I guess you guys around, take care of yourselves. Good day.